guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to hide all TikTok videos at once. And make videos private also. So first thing you have to do is open up your TikTok app just like this. Once you open up your TikTok, you go down and click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, you click on these three horizontal lines right above your screen, and you're going to see settings and privacy. Click on it, and the first thing you're going to see should be manage post, or maybe you don't see manage post. Please just scroll down a little bit and search for manage post. Click on manage post, and once you click on manage post, you're going to see manage post visibility. Click on that, and once you click on that, all your videos are going to show up, and all you need to do is just gently select each videos you want to hide, or since I said all of them, you're just going to select all of them and keep selecting. I have numerous videos, so you click on next. Once you click on next, you click on only you and you click on update. Then you have just hidden all your videos and nobody is going to see them anymore. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.